So my name is Chantal, and I am presenting to you some pictures from my loc journey. I've had locks for about 3.5 years. Yeah, about 3.5 years. I started them for a few reasons. One being that my hair had a hard time growing, especially at the back, from years of perming and braids. Like, I'm pretty sure I've had braids and like extensions in my hair since I was about three years old. First day of school, had big old chunky braids in my hair, and like my hair has never really had a huge natural break up until like 2011, where I cut all my hair off. It was short. I was terrified because I was one of those people that hate short hair on myself. So I had to be brave. My friends, they made a wager that if I cut my hair, they'd buy me a wig. So I was down for a free wig. Yeah, and I cut it all off. Then I had never permed it since, but it's funny because right before 2007, I had actually stopped perming, and then I just couldn't, deal with being in school, university, and trying to manage my hair. So I just went back to perming, and it was doing really well. One day I put in those glue-in weaves, and I didn't use the right gel, and then everything just fell out. So, and I had no choice, and that's where the whole shaving my head thing happened. So after that I did weaves and other protective styles, but never really left my hair out natural, just because I never really like how it looked. I can never figure out how to do something. I'm not really good at cornrowing or anything like that, so it's like, what am I gonna do? So I looked into doing dreads. I used to put in my own like braid extensions, and I'm one of those black women who, felt a little weird growing up when people would always ask me about my hair and why is it different? Why is it long all of a sudden? Why is it short all of a sudden? Why is it a different texture all of a sudden? So I wanted to have, starting a new job, and I was like, I want to have my hair be somewhat consistent, and I was tired of all the wigs and stuff, and wanted to save some money too, do something that's frugal, that, looks really nice, it's natural, and it's easy to take care of, because I was like low maintenance as possible. So even rolling dreads weren't appealing to me because you had to keep getting them done by someone, and same with sister locks, it's just too much, too expensive, and the nearest place that did it was like an hour and a half away. I wasn't into that, so I looked up braidlocs, and I saw a friend of mine who had started her dreads from braidlocs, and they looked amazing, and I was super jealous. I was like, one day I just went up to her and I was like, I'm getting that. I want that. I want it on my head. I'm doing it. And she's like, go for it. So a friend of ours super sweet lady, who used to do our braids growing up, who had actually done my friend's initial braidlocs, did hers, had offered to start mine for me, and I'll show clips of that as well. And I thought, oh, it's long when I first got it in, but I didn't realize the whole shrinkage journey. One of the reasons I'm doing this video is because I saw a few people who did braidloc journey videos and picture montages on YouTube, and that inspired me to actually take the leap and do it. So that's why I'm doing this as well. And seeing that, I'd seen some of the shrinkage that happens, so I was prepared for that. I was so excited that my hair looked long when it was braided, but then I saw it get shorter and shorter, and people being, making comments like, "Oh, your hair was longer. Did you cut it?" And no, I didn't cut it. It's shrinkage. But I bear through it, and 3 years later, this is how long it is, and I am really excited about the growth. I've had a lot of friends, family, you know, starting to notice the length finally, and able to put it in one, which I was really happy about because I wanted to do something different. I was kind of getting tired of, like, you'll see a lot of my earlier pictures where my hair is like always in a headband. So that's all I really could do. But then eventually I did figure out how to try and blend extension braids with my dreads because they're so small. I have a 200 count. Well, it's a little under that now because of mix of combining some dreads, and also a couple of, only had two, but it was because we caught in something. So you'll see some pictures of the protective styles that I've done to kind of keep my hair growing and give myself a little bit of variety. And you'll see I even wore wigs sometimes too, and they actually fit underneath because they're so thin. I was able to cornrow them and have it flat enough that I could wear a wig. So that was kind of cool. So enjoy the photos. There's kind of a lot. I might do more than one segment. We'll see. And yeah, and in another video I'll probably explain how I got the color that I have right now here. It's a fun story. So anyway, thanks for watching and enjoy the rest. Bye. Yeah.